Welcome back to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about a new Tressallure style. This is Beach Wave Magic in the color 24102 R12. We're going to talk about this style and color, but we're really going to talk about this new realistic fiber by Tressallure. Remember, you can find this at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link there. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors and the pricing and just browse for your own entertainment. There's so much to see on the site. If you have any questions for us, please don't hesitate to reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. That front piece is, according to the manufacturer, around 6 inches, and then that total length right around 16 inches. So I can automatically see a little bit of discrepancy there because these bangs aren't any more than 4.5 to 5 inches. So these bangs are wispy. They're very heavily layered and they just feather back into the style. I really like this trend of these bangs just being really lightweight, extremely texturized, and then feather back into the style and away from the face. You could trim them if you like more of a straight across bang and your forehead is a little bit shorter. So don't be afraid to get in there and just work these bangs according to your own taste and preference. So this curl is a beautiful air dried looking beach wave. It just appears as though you've had a salt spray in your natural hair and it has dried on its own without any brush out or styling. And you're left with this really fun PC broken spiral there. I mentioned there is a temple to temple extended lace front, full monofilament top, open sides and back. Let's take a look at this lace front. It's spectacular. So you cannot see any visible seams on this anywhere. It blends seamlessly with the skin tone. Every other hole or so is knotted. It gets gradually a little more thick as you move back in terms of the knots. Well done. They actually take that highlight right up to that lace front as well, interspersing that for a softer, more natural look. And then on the top, you can definitely see through to the illusion of scalp. No matter how you want to part or style this, it's going to give it so much flexibility and versatility in terms of style. This is the Realistic Fiber by Tressallure. It is heat friendly, but it's a new technology that they have just released on certain styles. And it's supposed to be 40% lighter compared to other synthetic styles of a similar kind. Each one of these fibers is just really fine. Okay, it's a fine, light feeling. Now, it seems to me that it's a little drier to the touch. And I think that's another reason why the maintenance on this one might be a little easier. Just because it is so lightweight, it's not gathering that friction from a heavy fiber. And remember, this is a heat stylable fiber by Tressallure. So they do recommend that you use a temperature of 320 degrees or less when bringing out your heat tools to work with this style. Beautiful cap design for Tressallure's Beach Wave Magic. There's that extended lace front. It does run back into the ear tab, nicely contoured. There's a seam that adjoins the single, very generous monofilament top. Look at those knots, how fine they are. Very nice, realistic looking hairline and scalp appearance from your part. You have a velvet covered ear tab, a nice long sturdy stay. That is a long sturdy stay. I find it to be very comfortable. An extended felted nape with Velcro style adjusters, open wefts on the sides and the back. Now you notice I did have to make a maximum adjustment to fit my petite average circumference. I would call this one just perfectly average. You could probably get a reasonable fit with a petite average or average large.